Hi guys, welcome back to my video. In today's video, I will show you how to make a stress ball. So let's get started. This is all you need. 1. 2 balloons. 2. Water. 3. Scissors. 4. Beads optional. First take a balloon and cut the top part of it. Now cut small holes in the balloon. Next, take the other balloon and put it in. And fill it with water and then tie it. You are ready to go. If you people enjoy my video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.